Spotify Camp Nou is changing at an incredible pace, and today's update proves exactly why. From illuminated decorative facades and rapidly expanding ceramic louvers, to major compression ring progress and the astonishing speed of the new diamond structures, almost every part of the stadium has taken another huge step forward. There are plenty of exciting developments to cover, so let's jump straight into today's construction update. Work continues on the removal of the remaining temporary pitch surface as construction crews prepare the stadium floor for the next phase of development. Machinery and workers remain active across the playing area, carefully clearing the existing surface and ensuring the ground is ready for the upcoming installation works. This phase is essential before the new permanent pitch system can be fully developed, and the steady progress shows that preparations on the stadium floor are moving forward alongside the construction taking place throughout the rest of Spotify Camp Nou. Work has begun around the exterior VIP ring block walls with crews installing plastic support bars. These are not part of the final finish but serve as the fixing structure for the exterior profile cladding that will be installed later. The support system creates the necessary spacing and ventilation behind the cladding, while providing secure mounting points. Once the cladding is installed, the exposed block walls will be completely hidden, giving the VIP ring exterior a modern and premium finished appearance. One of today's biggest milestones comes from the Sideline Diamond structures, which have now reached nearly 70% overall completion. This represents significant progress across all three diamond buildings located along the sideline. Months of foundation work, reinforced concrete construction, structural formwork, block wall installation, and interior preparation have brought the project to this important stage. Reaching almost 70% completion clearly shows that the largest portion of structural construction is now behind the crews. Inside the lower south goal elevator cores, the interior metalwork has reached its final stage, with most of the structural steel installations now completed. As this phase comes to an end, construction crews have started removing the internal scaffolding that was used throughout the installation process. The removal of the scaffolding confirms that the interior work is nearly finished and clears the way for the next stage of construction. The next major construction activity has already been scheduled. According to the latest progress, exterior sandwich panel installation on the lower south goal elevator sections is expected to begin next week. These panels will enclose the elevator cores and give this area a much more finished appearance. Once installed, another large portion of the south goal facade will move from an exposed structural phase to a completed exterior finish, marking another visible transformation of the stadium. Another important update comes from the third tier, where a large number of spotlights have now been installed along the lower edge of the terrace platforms. Previously, construction lighting for the upper areas was mainly positioned on the second tier, while the third tier remained under development. Now that construction has advanced significantly, the lighting has been relocated to the third tier itself, reflecting the growing readiness of this entire upper level. The relocation of the spotlights brings another important benefit. With the lighting infrastructure moved to the third tier, valuable space on the second tier is now being cleared. This area had previously been occupied by temporary construction lighting needed for work above. As that equipment is removed, the second tier can now be prepared for its intended operational use, bringing another section of the stadium closer to matchday readiness. The installation of permanent lighting on the third tier is another strong indication that this section is approaching operational status. Construction has advanced to a point where the upper level can now support its own lighting system without relying on temporary installations below. Every new step being completed here moves the stadium closer to welcoming larger crowds, with the third tier steadily preparing for future fan access and increased seating capacity. Installation of the stadium's ceramic louvers continues around the entire perimeter of Camp Nou. Rather than following one continuous sequence, crews are installing panels wherever surrounding construction activities have already been completed. This approach allows facade installation to continue without interfering with other ongoing construction work, and additional sections will continue to be completed over the coming weeks. The decorative ceramic louvers along the lateral stand are now entering the lighting installation phase. Integrated lighting fixtures have been fitted across this section, and regular testing is reportedly taking place to ensure the entire lighting system functions correctly before commissioning. Once fully operational, these illuminated louvers will become one of the stadium's most striking architectural features during the evening. Their installation also signals that this section of the exterior facade is moving from structural work into its final finishing stage. The decorative ceramic louvers continue expanding steadily across the north goal facade. More sections beneath the terraces and around the public access areas have now been completed, giving this side of the stadium a much more finished appearance while reducing the remaining exposed structural areas. Construction crews are maintaining a strong installation pace, with multiple work zones progressing simultaneously as the exterior facade gradually wraps around the stadium. Work is also progressing in the forward section of the north goal, where crews continue extending the decorative louver system toward the tribune corner. Additional support structures are already in place, and installation is expected to continue across the remaining unfinished facade sections over the coming days. Once this section is completed, another major stretch of the stadium's exterior will achieve its final architectural appearance, bringing the project one step closer to a continuous ceramic facade. The compression ring continues making steady progress toward the tribune sector. Temporary support towers are fully prepared, new steel box segments have been installed, and additional roof support pillars with their radial beams are now in place. Each newly installed segment strengthens the roof's primary structural system while steadily closing the remaining gap around the stadium. With work advancing from both directions, the long-awaited connection of the compression ring is now drawing noticeably closer. Work continues around the Gol Sur mobility core as crews focus on preparing the facade for the upcoming installation of the ceramic llamas. Workers are carrying out adjustments to the anchor points, tightening the fixing systems, and aligning the guide rails that will support the exterior panels. These preparation works are essential to ensure the llamas can be installed accurately, marking another important step toward completing the stadium's new facade. The tribune stand is now fully prepared for the next phase of compression ring construction. Temporary support towers have been assembled across the upper terrace, while new steel box segments, roof support pillars, and radial beams continue advancing steadily toward this section. With every installation, the remaining gap around the stadium becomes smaller, bringing the roof structure significantly closer to completion. A major visual improvement is now visible across the south goal, where the protective plastic covering has been removed from most of the decorative ceramic louvers. Their final finish is now fully exposed, giving this side of the stadium a cleaner and more premium appearance while installation continues toward the remaining unfinished sections. Today's construction progress highlights another major step toward the completion of Spotify Camp Nou. Third tier continues advancing toward operational readiness with new lighting installations. Every completed phase brings the stadium one step closer to welcoming thousands of supporters back into a fully transformed Camp Nou.